So this is something that we have been asking for years. So let's hop on over and look in product at what this looks like. Sales orders connected to purchase orders. So when would we use this? All right, so this is only in 24, by the way, and it's only available in Enterprise, of course. So a workflow that a lot of our clients use is a client calls them, right? A customer calls you, they ask for a price quote, okay? So you create an estimate. That's what an estimate's for. So estimates are just quote. When you convert it to a sales order now with this new feature, you can keep track of what you have purchased. So this is a preference, okay? When we come down into our items, so it is this little checkbox here in your company preferences that you want to link and track sales order line items with purchase orders. Okay, so now that I have it set up, when I come in to my sales order, I have a new column, the linked PO column. This is part of your data layout. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sales a sales order here. I'm just going to choose an item. And when I put the item on here, I'm going to order 85 of them. Okay, gracious. Okay. And then I'm going to order 25 of these, and I'm going to go ahead and say save. So once I have this sales order set up in the system, the idea is that we are coming here to our sales reports, and then we have our sales order linked to purchase order report. Okay. So I have now on this report the 85 and 25. I can see that there are no purchase orders linked on this report. So you can see that there's no purchase orders linked on here yet. All right, going back to my sales order now. Of course, we can create purchase order from sales order and say okay. When I do that, it links everything in here. If I deleted this line, I could remove this line, hit save. When I do that and come back to my report now, right, it is showing that this sales order is now linked to this purchase order. When I go back to the sales order, I have it linked in there, hyperlinked, and it will allow me to open up to the PO from the sales order. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.